Okay, so hey guys, what is up? I just finished installing macOS Big Sur on my MI Notebook 14, and as you can see, it's running macOS Big Sur version 11.0.1. So if you want to get a working macOS on your laptop, stay with me till the end of this video. Okay, so first things first, what's working? Almost everything you need to survive. Yes, the Wi-Fi works. You can connect and browse the internet via Wi-Fi. The Intel UHD graphics also works. Let me just show you browsing the internet via Wi-Fi. Don't mind the slow internet. Okay, so Wi-Fi works. And a major thing, the trackpad. Yeah, it works, including all the gestures you want. 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, every gesture works. The inbuilt keyboard is also working perfectly. Moving on to the audio. Audio works, both speakers and earphones work. Okay, so that was the audio. The brightness is also working perfectly. The slider is also working. You may not be able to notice this, but yeah, it's working. Now comes the things that are broken. First of all, the Bluetooth doesn't work. Right on Bluetooth, it says no Bluetooth hardware found. Next on the list is microphone. The microphone of inbuilt and earphones both are not working. Next is the HDMI. Yeah, it doesn't work. You can't connect to an external display for now. Yeah, now talking about iMessages and FaceTime, it crashed on my PC after logging with my Apple ID. Most probably an SM BIOS issue. Okay, so moving on to the installation now. You just need to burn the macOS image to the USB drive and replace the EFI with this one, link to which is given in the video description. Make sure you read the documentation first. Okay, so in this post-install folder, you'll find an app called Heliport. This is necessary to get the Wi-Fi working. All you have to do is just drag and drop this into the applications folder. I'm not dropping it since I have already done this. I'll just show you. It's here present in my applications folder. And then what you have to do is to add this in your login items. Just go to System Preferences, User and Groups. Click this lock icon so that it unlocks. Enter your password to unlock it. Now click on the login items. Click on plus button and then select Heliport and click Add. I've already added this, so I don't have to add it again. And then click on the lock icon again to close it. Now all you have to do is to simply click on the Heliport from your launchpad or in your applications folder and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. Make sure you hit that like button if you find this helpful, and a sub to the channel would be fabulous. If you have any doubts regarding this, make sure you comment it below and I'll reply as soon as I can. If you need a full installation guide from start to end, comment it down below and I'll be glad to make one. So that's it for this one. I'll catch you in the next one.